Introducing Santoro's Merry and Bright collection. I will be showing you Santoro advent calendar. You can see all the pretty details. I really like how they're like little highlights in her hair. I also like the way her dress is made. Look at all of these doors. Number 25. I wonder what could be in it. It's so shiny. Maybe there's something special in it. Inside, you can see there's so many different doors. Let's see what's inside number 8. Aww. We've got gift tags. We've got one with pinky purpley string, one with dark green string. Let's see what's inside number 11. Wow, a key. Hang on. Is it what I think it is? It is. It's a pen. Now, I've got a key and a pen in one. Whatever it is in number 12, it should be interesting. Look, I've got a notebook and it's perfect for autumn. Number 25 looks like a big treat. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look, it's a limited edition enamel pin. Look at it. She's got purple hair, a purple jumper, and beautiful wings.